Hello, my beautiful angel starseeds and dreamers. Welcome back. My name is Violeta. This is a timeless channeled message for you. If it resonates, take it. If it doesn't, leave it. All zodiac signs and so on. I love your energy today. So peaceful, pure, calm, grounded. That was one of the messages I got for you. Ground yourself. Ground yourself into your body. Ground yourself into your body. Be present in your body in the moment. Don't run off to other moments or things that you have to do or worry about. Don't be in the mind, in the panic of the mind of the ego. Be in the body. The thing is, one of the messages was you have to feel your feelings, right? Because you're in a bit of a in-between where a part of you is like, you know, peaceful, calm, happy, you know, all the good things. And then you have moments of the old you surfacing and being like, you know, because you're transitioning into a new phase of your life that's going to be faster. That was the message from before, to go slower as it goes faster, to balance off the scales. It's already started going faster. And the old you is like, whoa, freaking out a little bit. Because those are the old fears, the old mindsets, the old worries. When something happens, maybe something, you're afraid of something, or not afraid, but I mean, you're nervous about something that you haven't done before, right? Just an example. So let's say you're nervous about something that's upcoming. You can feel it's coming and it's big and it's huge and you haven't done it before, and you're like, the old you is freaking out, but the new you is grounded and peaceful and calm and steady, and it knows it's gonna be fine. You know it's gonna be fine. And because you're in between the new you and the old you, it's a little bit of a, you know, so feel your feelings. Know that they're like clouds passing away, passing. Don't push them back or ignore them. Don't cover them with positivity or whatever. Feel your feelings, but know that they're just passing. You don't have to get stuck in them. You don't have to believe them. You don't have to spiral. You don't have to, you know, freak out. Just observe them. Let them be. Let them talk whatever they want to talk, and know that it's okay. It's a normal part of the process, right? So ground yourself into your body. When the feelings come, feel them. But most of the time, just take care to be slow and steady and grounded. That's the most important at the moment. So instead of being all in your mind, be steady in your body. 333, as I said this. Another thing was connect with earth, connect with nature, connect. Sorry guys, I'm a little fidgety. I don't know why. It's almost like I'm being a little bit uncomfortable, but also comfortable at the same time. You know what I mean? So that's the energy today. It's a little bit of a conundrum, a little bit of a paradox. And you're balancing both. Basically, you balance. The message is you are sustaining your balance in a period of imbalance. No. You're sustaining your comfort and peace in a period of discomfort, but a good discomfort, not a bad discomfort, okay? So a good discomfort is new things, changes, good things, but changes, new, like new, different. That's always uncomfortable. And so you're asked to keep your comfort and your peace and your calm, to be stable in this period of discomfort. And I know you can do it. You've been working on it. What else? Yes, I was starting to say connect to the earth, walk barefoot in the sand, in the grass, wherever. Connect to the earth, connect to nature. Slow down, breathe, ground yourself, and take your time. It's almost like you're asked to go at a different pace than life itself. So let's say life around you is the usual, people going on about their business, things happening, movement, but you're being asked to go slower than your surroundings. It's almost like the more things speed up, the more you have to slow down. And I know that's incredibly irrational and weird and like unreasonable. I don't know why I can't speak, but you know what I mean? It's so counterintuitive, it is. But it does make sense though, because you're asked to keep the balance. You're like on a tightrope. The more a wind blows or, something gets unsteady, you're asked to keep completely still and completely steady and sure and slow down, even if life is asking you to speed up. Does that make sense? Okay, anyway, this keeps coming in messages recently, and I know it's important, so I keep saying it. Finally, this is my favorite part. Spirit says, imbue everything with love. Everything you're doing, everything you're touching, everyone you talk to, everything, just everything, every day, all the time. As much as you can, when you remember to imbue everything with love. I don't know, hurrying up today and rushing to do a video and just kind of thinking about, doing a video and just I have to do that and that. And then I heard the message and I was like, you know what? I'm going to imbue this video with so much love. I don't know if you feel the energy, but I truly am imbuing with so much love for you because you're amazing. And Spirit's asking you to do the same. Just imbue everything you do with love. That's all. That's everything. At the moment, you're just being asked to slow down and be love. Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. Spirit just amazes me with these messages sometimes. Thank you so much for watching and for sharing your energy with me. Like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment because it helps me connect to your energy. And just I love reading them, and let me know if it resonates and anything else you want to do, claim the energy if you want. I'm so proud of you. You're amazing. I'm going to see you next time, okay?